another segment of Ask Miss A. This is where you can email me screenshots of your math work, math homework, classwork, and I'll work the problem for you. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can take a look at the question we're going to do. Loading. All right, here we go. So our directions. Solve for the value of r. So we've done a problem like this once before. We have a right angle where they give us the value of one portion of the right angle, but then we have to solve for the value of the other one. And how do I know that this is a right angle? Because of this little perpendicular box right here. And a right angle adds up to how many degrees, y'all? 90 degrees. So what that means is this portion, the 9r plus 2 plus 70 degrees, has to add up to 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to write on the screen 9r plus 2 plus 70 degrees equals 90. All right, here we go. I want to try to simplify this problem by combining any like terms. And look at this. I could add this 2 and this 70. Those are like terms, aren't they? Right? So 2 plus 70, that just gives me 72. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. 9r plus 72 equals 90. Now, our goal is to get this r, isolate this variable, and get it all by itself. Since 72 is being added on this side of the equation, I'm going to move that 72 over to the right side of the equation. The opposite of adding 72 is to do what, y'all? Subtract 72. Or you can write it as negative 72. You can think of it that way as well. But whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 72 from both sides. We will see that this positive 72 and this negative 72 here, they cancel each other out because they are exact opposites. So now I'll just bring down the 9r. I'll bring down my equal sign, and then I'm going to just do the math. What is 90 minus 72? It's 18. All right, y'all, we're almost there. One more step. Since 9 is being multiplied times r, and we need to get the r all by itself, we are going to divide both sides by 9 so that we can get this r by itself. So I'm going to divide 9 here on the left side of the equation, and I'm going to divide 9 here on the right side. Cancel these out, or pretty much 9 divided by 9 is just 1, right? And then 1 times r gives me r. Bring down your equal sign. Final step. 18 divided by 9 is equal to what? 2. And we have now solved our equation. So r equals 2. If you have a question that you'd like me to help you with, or you'd like me to work out for you here online, please email me a screenshot and I will work it out for you. Thanks again for joining me for Ask Miss A.